Hey guys, how's it going? How to keep travel documents safe on iCloud Drive. So first of all, go ahead and open up your files and then make sure that you name your file. My document, your document, travel documents, etc. Okay, organize it onto one file for easy access. Next, what you're gonna do, you can upload all these files to the iCloud. As you can see right here, you're gonna see iCloud. So I already saved it in my iCloud, but if you didn't, you could see an example right here, right? Let's say, let me go back, go to the downloads. I haven't saved anything to the iCloud or saved anything outside of the iCloud. Let's say, for example, this video, right? So I'm gonna recover this video, right? And let's say it's already saved. Okay, let's say, for example, this document, right? So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead and hold this document, right? And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna hit move, and I'm gonna save it on my iCloud Drive under this file name, and I'm gonna hit copy, right, to copy that file on iCloud for easy access. Okay. Next, what you need to do, you need to scan the documents. You can use apps like Cam Scanner if you have not scanned your documents, such as your passport, your ticket, or whatever that might be for you. You can use Cam Scanner to generate or to scan your document and highlight it, so people or yourself, you can read the document and be more visible to share it across multiple platforms. Okay, and you can save it under multiple formats like JPG, PDF, etc. Next, what you need to do, you need to go ahead and scan your documents, right? As we mentioned before, you can use Cam Scanner, right? Or you can just go ahead and click your iCloud, and let's say, for example, this file. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to select this file, right, these two files, and I'm going to click the three dots at the bottom right, right? Or I can just go ahead and click the three dots at the top right before I select any files and click scan documents, right? And iPhone itself can provide me with the feature of scanning the documents without the need to use a third-party app. But if you do, you could just do that at your own time. Now what you're gonna do, enable iCloud Sync. Go back to your screen and go ahead to the settings, and then click your name, and then what you're gonna do, you're gonna go ahead to the iCloud, right? Make sure that your iCloud is turned on. Okay, make sure that you allowed backup specifically or exclusively for iCloud Drive. If you haven't turned it on, that means you may lose some data. So make sure that you allowed backup for your iCloud, so you can sync all of these files. As you can see right here, iCloud Drive. Make sure I can turn this on to sync this iPhone, right, across maybe Mac or any other platform or any other device that gives me the access to my files without the need to go back to my phone. Next, what you need to do, set password protection. Make sure that you use facial recognition or a password to protect your iCloud Drive from unauthorized access. You can do that by simply scrolling a little bit down in the settings, add your passcode right here if you do. But if you don't, make sure that you set up or reset your Face ID. Instead of resetting your Face ID, or you're gonna have another option to create a new facial recognition and a passcode to back this up. This keeps your travel documents secure and possible and accessible, anywhere. So that's one of the comments. If this video helped you, do not forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.